The future of civil engineering is no longer defined only by steel, asphalt, and concrete. It is now about balance between people and nature, between rapid growth and long-term resilience. Cities are expanding, climate challenges are intensifying, and communities are calling for solutions that are both innovative and sustainable. Civil engineering is entering one of its most promising chapters, a future filled with possibilities. What do you think is the greatest challenge for sustainable infrastructure in your city? Feel free to share in the comments. Sustainable civil engineering means designing with the future in mind. Tomorrow's stormwater systems will double as public parks, highways will integrate wildlife corridors, and neighborhoods will consume less energy while offering a higher quality of life. Infrastructure is no longer seen as static. It is being reimagined as adaptive, regenerative, and deeply human-centered. Each project has the potential to provide more than utility. It can restore ecosystems, strengthen communities, and create enduring value for future generations. Technology is accelerating this transformation. Tools like building information modeling and Civil 3D already allow engineers to simulate, analyze, and optimize designs before breaking ground. Looking ahead, the widespread use of digital twins will enable cities to monitor infrastructure in real time, adapt to changing conditions, and extend life cycles at lower cost. Data-driven insights will shape decisions on energy, mobility, and climate resilience. Recognition from Autodesk has highlighted AXA Engineers as a global success story, proving how advanced tools and responsible practice today are paving the way for a smarter, more sustainable tomorrow. But the future is not built by technology alone. It is built by people. Strong, stable teams will remain essential to long-term quality. While many firms struggle with turnover and recruitment, those investing in people will secure continuity and resilience for decades ahead. AXA Engineers, recognized as the best workplace in Vietnam, shows how nurturing culture and retaining talent create a foundation for innovation. Human expertise, passed across generations, will become as central to sustainability as advanced materials and digital tools. The future will also be global. Challenges such as climate change and resource scarcity know no borders, requiring collective solutions. The rise of global design hubs reflects this shift. Networks where expertise, culture, and sustainable practices are exchanged seamlessly. AXA Engineers has embraced this model, turning differences like time zones into advantages that accelerate delivery and raise global standards. This interconnected approach ensures that breakthroughs in one region quickly benefit another, creating shared progress on a planetary scale. Trust will be a defining element of tomorrow's civil engineering. Transparent processes, rigorous quality systems, and clear communication will reassure communities that infrastructure will endure. Trust will reinforce the relationship between engineering and society, reminding us that every bridge, road, and building is part of a collective legacy meant to last. The horizon holds remarkable potential. Smart cities that learn and adapt are already becoming prototypes for tomorrow's urban centers. Renewable energy will be embedded into roads, bridges, and buildings, transforming infrastructure into active contributors to power grids. Advanced materials such as self-healing concrete or carbon-sequestering composites will redefine how construction interacts with the planet. These innovations point to a future where infrastructure not only coexists with the environment but actively enhances it. Civil engineering has always been about building foundations. Today, those foundations extend beyond physical structures to include resilience, trust, and respect for nature. Every design decision now carries broader meaning, not just how a structure performs, but how it contributes to the health of communities and ecosystems. Companies such as AXA Engineers embody this vision, proving that sustainability can be both a guiding principle and a daily practice. The exciting future of sustainable civil engineering is already unfolding. With smarter technology, resilient teams, global cooperation, and innovative design, the profession is redefining what it means to build. Progress and preservation are no longer separate. They are advancing together. Which breakthrough do you believe will shape the next era of sustainable civil engineering? Share your perspective in the comments.